What are you painting?
It's painting. Yeah, draw a fan.
Why don't you try to paint with some purple?
I draw brown.
Okay.
Brown.
You might want to, can you dip your paintbrush in the water cup again? There you go, that'll refresh it. Now you can stick it in the brown paint. Now put it on paper.
Brown. Yeah, I draw green. That's the paint. I draw yellow. I draw green. Draw again. I paint out water. Yeah, draw green. Yeah, I draw a fan.
You want Mom to draw you a fan?
Mom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can set this right. Here.
Mom, I draw a fan.
Right here, what to make you a fan?
Open it. Open it. Open it.
Just a minute. I think we can stop this.